in SAI, we also represent a large number of black families. Many of them are beneficiaries of the redistribution program. And let me tell you, a black farmer today in South Africa has even more challenges than a white farmer. I want to see a well-established white farmer trying to get going on a farm under the conditions which we expect black farmers to make a success. Because in redistribution, not always in restitution, but in this redistribution program, they do not get title deeds. They do not own land. So they have no collateral. They cannot go to a bank to get a loan for the inputs. They are completely delivered to government officials. Now, they are not even good government officials, what to say a good bank. Last week, one of our members from the Limpopo called very excitedly. He said, I just got my post-settlement grant. I can now pay for the seed and the fertilizer and the diesel. But he cannot plant now. He should have gotten that at least in October, actually in September. He's way too late now to plant. The worst part is we helped him to apply for that. And we helped them to put pressure on the department to give him this money to get going. We did it in 2020 and in 2021. He got it now. What was he supposed to do on that farm since then?